Okay, come close. Okay, stop recording and just listen.
اوكي شوية يا شباب.
So one video is enough. He's taking. How many videos want? Okay. So what is this? Huh? The pectoral region. Good. So what do we have in the pectoral region? Huh? Okay, before the skin will be there. We have reflected the skin here. Remove the skin. Then superficial fascia. Then deep fascia. Deep fascia is called as.
What is the superficial?
Superficial is removed. Everything is removed. Skin along with that, the fat content, everything. Now what we see here is the deep fascia. This whole thing is the deep fascia. What is the name? Because it is in the pectoral region, so it is called as pectoral fascia. Pectoral fascia. Then when you remove this pectoral fascia, the first muscle you come across will be the pectoralis major. So you can see here, this is the pectoralis major muscle. This one. Here also we have, it is cut. So this is the pectoralis major muscle. Listen, boys, come. Concentrate on your class than taking pictures. Okay. Okay. So, what is the origin of this muscle, pectoralis major? Huh? No, origin. Yeah, clavicle, medial on that of clavicle, the sternum, so some of the muscle fibers from the external oblique muscle of the abdomen. Then where else? No. Origin of this muscle. Deep inside here we have the costal cartilages. Here we have the costal cartilages. So costal cartilage. नहीं 1 मिनट ठहरो तुम जा रहे हो 2 बजे हम लोग ये करेगा Okay, so here is the costal cartilages. These are the ribs, and here medially this is the costal cartilage. Okay.
Costal cartilage.
So it takes origin from the clavicle, the sternum, manibrum sterni, body of the sternum, some of the fibers from the abdominal sternum oblique, then the costal cartilages. Okay. Then insertion where? Yeah, it goes to the humerus and inserted into the bicipital groove. What is bicipital groove? We'll go and see in the bone. Okay. So this is the origin and insertion. What is the nerve supply? Medial lateral pectoral nerves. And action? Flexion. Not here. This is not flexion. Flexion is this one. Here. Okay. Flexion. Then abduction. Abduction or adduction? Adduction. Medial rotation. Yeah. Flexion. Okay.
Adduction, and the flexion and medial rotation.
Okay. So next, when you cut this muscle, the next muscle which you come across is this is the pectoralis minor muscle. What is the origin of this muscle? Third, fourth, and fifth ribs. So it is taking origin. Can you see here? These are the ribs. So it is taking origin here, right?
Which one? 4 and?
Third, fourth, and fifth. Okay. This is already repeated twice. Now you should know. Okay. What is the insertion? Coracoid process of the scapula. Yeah. Coracoid process of the scapula. Origin is here. On third, fourth, and fifth rib, insertion is to the coracoid process. What is the nerve supply? Medial lateral pectoral nerve. Again, medial mainly, and some fibers from lateral. What is the nerve supply? What is the action? Minor. Where it is attached to the scapula. So what will it do? Protraction. It pulls the scapula forwards. Whenever it got the insertion is here. Wherever is the insertion that is the point which is moving. This is not move. This is fixed because this is the origin. So insertion is here, so it will move. So here is the origin, so it will fix. The movement will be here. Okay. So this is the pectoralis major, minor. Then the third muscle is subclavius muscle. Okay. Deep inside we can see. So here there is a small muscle here. So here is the small muscle called as the subclavius muscle. Okay, just below the clavicle, there is a clavicle here, and below that there is a small muscle called as the subclavius. Okay, what is the origin? First rib insertion is clavicle. The subclavian groove in the inferior surface. You can see subclavian groove. There it is inside. What is the nerve supply? Very easy. It is very if you really read, nerve to subclavius. The muscle is subclavius. Nerve supply nerve to subclavius. What is the action? It studies this joint. What is the joint? Sternoclavicular joint. This is the sternum. This is the clavicle. Sternoclavicular joint. Okay, easy. Okay. Then the fourth muscle is serratus anterior. It will be side here. You see here on the other side, deep inside here is a muscle. Can you see there?
Yeah.
Deep inside here is a muscle, small muscle. Okay, that is called as the serratus anterior. What is the origin of that muscle? See the position. Where is the? 1 to 8 ribs. Takes origin from the 8 to 8 ribs on the lateral side. Insertion. Insertion. It goes deep inside and get inserted to the scapula. Yeah, medial border of the scapula. Yes. What is the nerve supply? Long thoracic nerve, or it is also called as nerve of bell. Okay. What is the action? This is the action. Okay. Belling, pulling the bell. Okay. Then next muscles will be. These are 4 muscles: pectoralis major, pectoralis minor, subclavius, and the serratus. And these are the muscles of the pectoral region. Now going to the scapular region. Okay, this is the scapular region. Okay, so this is the scapula. Here is the scapula, and these are the scapular muscles. Okay, so this is the trapezius muscle, large muscle. Yeah, this is the trapezius muscle. And if when they reflect this, okay, here they have not dissected it. So this part here will be. This is the spine of the scapula. Okay. Supraspinatus. What is the origin? Supraspinatus fossa. Insertion to greater tubercle of the humerus. Okay, here is the humerus, so it is getting inserted. Second muscle is below. This is the infraspinatus. Okay, origin is infraspinous fossa. Insertion to the greater tubercle. Okay, again to the greater tubercle. So supraspinatus will come get inserted here. The infraspinatus get inserted again to the greater tubercle. The third muscle is what is okay? Nerve supply of this supraspinatus. No. Supraspinatus. Yeah. Then action. Abduction. From where? From 0 to 15. Okay. Infraspinatus. This is the infraspinatus. Origin infraspinous fossa. Insertion to the greater tubercle. Nerve supply. Supraspinatus. Okay. Action. Lateral rotation. Flexion or extension? Extension. Because it is behind. Extension. Yeah, extension. So then lateral rotation. Okay, then. Okay, these are some of the muscles. Then the third muscle is teres minor and teres major. Okay, so if you see here will be the major teres minor. Yeah, above will be the teres minor and below this is the teres major muscle. Okay. Yeah, this is the teres major and here is the teres minor muscle. Okay, so what is the origin of teres minor? Greater. Origin. See here. Here. What is this? Scapula. What part of scapula? Lateral border. Okay, border. Okay, lateral border of the scapula, upper part. Insertion. Greater tubercle. What is the nerve supply? External. Action. Same action. Extension, lateral rotation, and all those things. Okay. Then this is the teres major muscle. What is the origin? Scapular again. The lower part of the lateral cord. Okay. Insertion to bicipital groove. Okay. Bicipital. See boys. If you are not interested, please you can go. I am not the person who will force you to sit here. If you are not interested, just give the attendance and go. Don't worry about the attendance in my classes. Okay, just give your attendance and go. No talking, please. When you are here, please, you have to be attentive. Please don't disturb my class. Okay. Okay. So teres major. What is the origin?
Lateral aspect of the
Lower part of the lateral border of the scapula. Insertion to bicipital groove. What is the nerve supply? Did you find?
No.
Did you not find? Suprascapular nerve? Then find out. You did not find out last time I asked you. Supraspinatus you find? Okay. Supraspinatus. All these three muscles. Supraspinatus, infraspinatus as well as the teres major. Okay. What is the action?
extension.
Huh?
Lateral rotation.
No. This is, it is going in the front and coming here into front.
Supination.
Even though the teres major is, origin is here, but the insertion is in the front. Not like all the other things, the greater tubercle, back. It is coming in the front bicipital groove. So what is the action?
Lateral rotation.
Adduction.
Abduction.
Adduction. Because it is coming in the center. Okay. Then
Medial rotation.
medial rotation and all those things. Okay. Then which is the next muscle? Supraspinatus, infraspinatus, teres minor, teres major. Then subscapular. Okay, good. Subscapular is here. Okay, so here this muscle which you are seeing.
Subscapular.
So here this is the subscapular. See here. This is the subscapularis muscle. Origin of this muscle? Subscapular fossa. This fossa is called as subscapular fossa. Insertion to. Yeah. Actually, it will be like this. Okay, so this part will be directly in contact with the. Okay. So this is the serratus anterior. Yeah, serratus anterior attached to the medial border. Origin is from the upper 8 ribs. Insertion to the medial border. When you reflect this, this is the subscapularis. Okay, origin from the subscapular fossa and insertion is to. Which part of humerus?
لا أجل هنا greater.
Lesser tubercle of the humerus. Okay. Okay. So what is the nerve supply? Subscapular nerve. Good. Okay. What is the action?
Lateral rotation.
Rotation of the scapula. How it rotates?
The breast of the scapula.
Huh? Yeah.
The breast of the scapula.
Depression of the scapula, pulling downwards. Okay. So these are the 6 muscles. One is the, you have studied, one is supraspinatus, infraspinatus, teres minor, teres major, then subscapularis. This is the serratus anterior here. When you reflect the serratus anterior deep inside, this is the subscapularis. Okay. So 6 muscles. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which is the 6th? You have forgot this. So this is a deltoid muscle here. What is the origin?
Acromion.
Acromion, humerus,
No. Scapula.
scapula. Which part of scapula?
Lateral border.
This is, see here, I am marking spine. Yeah, superior border of the spine of the scapula. Spine of the scapula. Acromion process, then in the front.
Clavicle.
Yeah, all the way. Clavicle. Okay, origin. Big muscle. Insertion to.
Deltoid tubercle.
Yeah, deltoid tuberosity. If you can see here, this is the going deep inside, and this is the muscle here getting inserted to the deltoid tuberosity. So these are the 6 muscles. Along with that, you can see also the trapezius muscle here. So this is the trapezius muscle cut.